Day 23. We visited the Lake Hollywood Park to see the Hollywood sign up close. And this moment felt extra special, being there with Mom and Dad. Simple but meaningful. We ended the day with dinner with Miss Alva, John's friend from Cebu. Good conversations, lots of stories, and memories we'll carry with us. America Trip Part 12. 2 days before flying back home to Sydney, we find ourselves here in Los Angeles, taking in every last moment. John has always loved running, and this morning, he gets to do it here in Huntington Beach, with the sunrise in front of him. It feels unreal. He once said, America was just a dream, and now here he is, living it, running, breathing, appreciating this moment. Our first stop, Walt Disney Concert Hall. The architecture alone is breathtaking. We couldn't help but stop and just admire it. Next, we visited the Broad. We love art. It makes you think differently, see things in a new way. Some pieces made us pause, some made us smile, and that giant table and chair, it made us feel so small in the most fun way. Definitely an experience you'll never forget. For lunch, we headed to the Grand Central Market. So many choices, food, desserts, everything. We ordered a lot, maybe too much. We couldn't even finish it all. Since we parked near the museum, we walked all the way, even passing by Angel's Flight. Those stairs were no joke, especially for Mom and Dad, but they made it, and honestly, we're so proud of them. We ended the day in Santa Monica. We arrived late, but that didn't matter. We walked, soaked in the vibe, and of course, I picked up some pasalubong too. The next day, our final day in America, Day 25. It's hard to put into words how grateful we are. This has truly been one of the most unforgettable experiences of our lives. This was also the moment John's mom gave us a postcard. Something simple, but deeply meaningful.
What card is this?
That's from Lola. Okay, sit down. Sit in the middle. Dear John, Celeste, and Callista, thank you and your family for spending with us this Christmas. We are so happy you were here with us. It's been a long time that we were not together. We hope next time we can be together again with you.
We hope next time we can be together.
With you again with your other siblings on the next Christmas.
Next Christmas.
It's the best Christmas gift ever we received this Christmas.
This is the best Christmas ever.
I hope you enjoyed your vacation here in the US. And we love you all. Mom, Dad. Why are you following me? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for the letter and this card. This means a lot to me and my family and us. Say thank you.
Thank you.
And say I love you.
I love you.
Say wave to the camera. Say hello.
Hello. Now I want to play in the playground.
Take time to be with family and friends because one day, those moments become memories you'll miss the most. Time moves so fast, and before you know it, it's goodbye. We didn't film our goodbyes because it was just too emotional, but we carry everything with us. Every laugh, every moment, every memory. Thank you for being part of our journey. We truly appreciate you.